What are we playing? Lapha bukani kazi sihlala. Uqoka uspina bhodlela. Ngangike ngonyuke kuphendulani. Samele sikhazike. Yes, akombo. Yeah! Ngene.
My father's quiet, it's my birthday today. Lippy cat. It's my birthday now. Lippy cat. Listen, Fiji. Nizobona my pose.
Hello, Sawubona bazayami unjani. I hope we're righty. Coming up Mandisa Keswa and welcome back to another vlog. On today's video, we are invited to Thuli Madlamuga's birthday celebration. I'm super excited because guess what? You are coming along, Bazayami. If you are new here, my name is Mandisa Keswa, and if you are already a subscriber, when we ishonami and if you too want to join the Maposa squad, just for free, press on that subscribe button, Jenga Manje. Like a video manje, because I know you'll forget. Super excited. If you don't know who is Thuli Madlamuga that I'm talking about, she is a well-known YouTuber. She sits with more than 100k subscribers on YouTube, and she's doing wonderfully. Mwah. She was once part of Leanto Yama Creators YouTube, and she went to Kenya. If she's watching this, ngithi happy birthday mama, and nawo wonke amapoza athi happy birthday. Ungamazi noma ungalazi legama engilisho la Thuli Madlamuga, mhlawumbe uyamazi ngoqhelekazi on social media. Guys, I'm super excited. I just came back from esaluni kade ngiwenza installation ngimuhle manje nginjena, and I have to quickly run to a mall because we still have not bought a gift to bring to the birthday celebration. By the way, the theme, your birthday celebration, guess what? To a beach party, we're going to a pool party. So we are looking for something sexy nyana, visit Tanga situation going on. And yeah, please enjoy this vlog. We might link up with Ulangilishe because she's also at the same mall. The weather is changing on us. I don't like that. This is a dress I wanted to buy. I'm saying a nice dress, but he doesn't change sandal. But you 1 point something, 11899. Hello, ngifuna lele linengwe angiliboni ngisho kwisithombe sakhona. Yalibona lele nje guys, kodwa eliyingwe ngiyalifuna lela teke and ngizolithola. outfits here. Let me go dress up for you. Love it. Let me dress up and all.
I wrapped it up, my love, stages with 10,000 people watching.
I love it. I'm a size large on the skirt and on the top I'm a size medium. I'm taking it.
But we're alone now, singing, singing.
$499, but I am taking it because what the hell, Ikwa. Going to Katsport scene. Yobhekani khona ijacket yengwe engibonile that I really liked. Mhlambe ngizothenga mhlambe ngingithenga angazi. Also we are meeting up with Tulangelihle manje. Hello, my boss is squad.
Hello, my boss is squad.
I'm not alone now. I'm with. Hey, but uphethe namasuitcase. Uphethe namasuitcase. Ayishobi weekend ayikahle. Abakulingani?
This one. Nice.
Nawe for sure khona amahle angangilingani awakho. Mfethu, nayi le jean lela nge. Lento sigqoka sekuzini.
Ngoma noma.
Ayinto bani.
Leandro Leana.
Bu red belt pose. Buka. Nice to meet you. I always give people your video as reference. Ngiyayifuna le tracksuit leyana ngoba ngiyibona ayisekho. Ngibonile ukuthi le yakho I flat le ine scrunchy engazuzi. Nice meeting you mama.
I know it's a lot. Yeah, please.
Hi guys, jacket yethu ke unfortunately siyayishiya. Awunana bangaka. Hello my boss squad.
1,000 people watching. But we're alone now, singing this song.
I don't know, is it a hit or is it a miss? Hi mama. Gapi. Must I buy it? Should I get it? Let me get it and then do I bring it back to the store or do I keep it? I ended up leaving the things as a spot scene because uthi umfana ayikho ijacket yaka Reebok 2000 ayikho. Guys lapho ikhona ngiyibonile lapha 2000 ayikoda nabo ka Reebok bye back. Bozayami, if you're watching this video and it's still October, there's a sale got Crocs and you could use my discount code for free shipping. I would really appreciate it. Mwah. Uyakuzwa lapho ngilambeni mngani. Udlani wena? Ugcina nini ukudla? Guys, look at the time. Asibuka sambe dona wrong. Wena usho ngani? Now it is raining. Sophia sidlile. We come bearing gifts. Kuzoba mnandi kwi-party. I can feel it inside me. Ngicela ukunitshaja manje. Asibonane bese sendlini. If you're still watching until this part, kahle kahle wena. No wa cookies.
Isiphandlo sifaka ba?
Izangomela.
Oh, now usisangoma. Kumele usikhiphe nje phela kumele usifake wena. Uyisangoma usifake wena. Usikhiphe.
Anyways, let me wear the other outfits because le ingenza ngifile some type of way because I need to put a tight on. Now I'm gonna put blush, and mascara and lip combo. Sesindlela neqiniso poza yami ngizobona khona ehothini. Sinomngane wami, I convinced her to do makeup and awuyisolene.
No,
Also guys, ngiyayithanda lento le. Ulange got this full tool. Yeah. Mina ngiblush iqhomo. Sibomvu ngathi uthi ngilimele. Ngathi mascara, ngathi lip combo, mina lo manje. Yeah. Assemble. Size e40 butwan.
Okay.
Yeah. Senze njani sima khona la esangweni basivulele.
Angazi ukuthi yena ilenozana nithi ningena ngaphi ngoba phela amasango awuthula. Khona unyusele, ukhona no South Beach.
Oh, okay.
Ukuthi wena ngene.
Oh, siyangena la. Alright, siyabonga. Ulwandle gazilulana. Itani ngume njani? Ingume blue. Utafika nje sasa ubona msipati. Sanibona. Sapoza squad. Sigwipati kathole madabuda. Don't taste this. Oh, got my balls. Cheers, fika.
Cheers, my boys. I need to take a shot with you guys.
Okay. Suthule madabuda.
Nikuphi mani kakhona? Hey, my boys ngiyabhosha. Hayi kahle manje siyabazuthola kahle.
Mnandi lo mpahla lena ya? Hey. Hayi imnandi fana ngiyayithanda. This is so nice.
Thank you.
Uyazila? Hayi boya uzantsapha uyi-5 mlobe. 5 Molani. Siyaphila. Mandi. Jabula ukwazi. Naledi ngiyajabula ukwazi. Sawubona unjani? Ubani kama yakho? Akukahle. Again ule rata ngumalo lo guys ungadise.
Ngolo. Ngidaba manje. Ninjani my boys squad?
You cannot buy. Tell me love that you cannot fix. One is the joy that you cannot fix.
Ila nje indaba. Usudla amaqatha amangaki kodwa wena ke?
Hello mapoza.
Hello mapoza squad. Okay. Kusho wengane madoda. Lapho guys
But the eating is very good like gel. Manje uthi umadabuseni kanjani? Khona ilight engiphethe.
Okay, perfect so.
Yeah, just to sit nje mhlambe yabo ngazi ngibe butch.
Kuzoba zenhle thomba. Mina ngifatha ubhafa wami.
Bengilinde nina vele ukuthi nifike. Mase ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngingidirect nanokungidirect futhi singizenzele ngekephi ngawo.
It's not like I
Usutha ukundazi usutha emadabuseni ushuthe lapha ayishisa yakho uzobona usithanda zini.
Ngiposte nini kusasa? Epost namhlanje.
Sipho sasa sibe nesikhathi sokueditha.
Sasekuseni.
Sidedithe kahle kube kuhle. Ngiyayithanda le mpahla lena.
Ngiyiphatha ezu2 kuphela. Ngiyiphatha kusasa epool. Sasa ngathi ngashisa.
Another one. For once, be normal. Can we see your 2 bags? Thank you so much. Nice. Yeah. Nazia.
Indaba ngingathola amagift emanzalo. Listen now. There's more coming, Shem. About the squad. Ngicela amagift. My brother squad, I have a lot of gifts, guys. There's more coming. My friend is coming with any gift. Imani. Bukani ngijabula. Njengobani. Hayibo.
Bayifunda nathi ulindo.
Elani. Ma uzukhona ufuna umfazi. Mhlawumbe khona le.
Ingane yethu lo. Oh my God. I'm outside now, but I just also wanted to show you like a quick OOTD. I like this thing, I feel like it's so cool. This is from Temu. The earrings are from Lovisa. I've got some blush on, but I'm sweating, and I did mascara and a lip combo. The two pieces from the Fix. Underneath, I'm wearing a bikini from Shein. And then I want to show you my cool shoes. The shoes are so beautiful. They're also from the Fix. So basically, the whole outfit today is from the Fix. Oh, this is so beautiful. One. And then if you get into Tengibugo, Lindo. Acceptance.
Acceptance umzala Thokoze ekhaya. Yebo. Umzala Jabule. Yebo. Nangu umzala.
Woza, ngifuna ukuveza i-outfit yonke ngidona kantshengisanga bafazi. I-OOTD sihlangene ke la. Uyabona? Layers. Yabo? Layers.
Andila ikhanya mnandi
You can see yourself. Yes. Because that's too fun.
Such a thing, babe. Lange, usemelek nawe wena.
Yes, okay. Are we fixing it? Lalela kaza asilona le cake ngoba liyajuluka manje cake.
No, what's the difference?
Woman is a Limnandi Rose. I think we're done with it's on the Zlatuni. I'm gonna wait for everyone to eat and then I should see somewhere with everyone. But guys, it's a blast and it's still gonna be a blast. Shagatsuni Matamuga! That's me, guys! Engizoyitesta nami.
Hello, my boss squad.
Influencer guys, uthi zamani lena
Strawberry rouge.
imnandi. Manje uthi ngiplug amabhoza ngotshwala la mina. Imnandi mngani. Imnandi. Imnandi. Awusiza. Man guys bese man besezwa lona. Uthi sine strawberry. Nango.
Abo taster.
Nayike le yasine man. Asemnandi into. No, it's Asemnandi into. Hayi, kade uhlina nokuthanda utshwala kade uhlina awusona ukhuluma okay in 3 2 1 Asemnandi into. Asemnandi nayi sengani exactly mnandi bamba sinengaze ubaba plug sinengayela ngiflower yazi amnandi sengizwa le manje guys ngifuna ukunitshela it's so nice it smells very nice awuthuli izolo karita ubrutali kodwa strawberry rouge musha ulo kade nje bathi sekuyena kade belonsa yena okay let's see nami ngizwa mina namhlanje cabanga ngimzwa ngalela langa umnandi uyamhlula ulithi kimi
Akamhlula kodwa umimosa. Akamhlula kodwa umimosa.
hayi umnandi phela mina manje ngiphuza ulithi kodwa ngeke
Awunandi strawberry.
umnandi
Not too bad. Inkinga ukuthi usweet.
umnandi lo guys nimthenge What are we playing now? What are we playing? Can you show me?
Mawuka sathi singisi nje hlala phansi.
Uthini mama? Uthini? Lapho mukani gazi sihlala. Uthoma kuspin a bottle. Not spin the bottle, it's 30 seconds. Samele sichaze game. Samele sichaze game. And this is 30 seconds junior cabanga.
Junior.
Come on. Beka thuli abantu abamemi. Hlaka thuli matamuga.
So ke mina vele ngizokha le finance file. But ngikazilaneni na engenzeni. Njengamanje adlala into eyodwa at a time. Right now it's 30 seconds. After this game is done, we're gonna go to play a game yama shots. So I get it there for now and get it over and done. I've done my shots.
Yabuza ngo. So awufokasa nisimlalelile nansuku
Ngoba usuzothola i-final lesivumelelo siba ngumsebenzi. Still ungawubanzi mfethu.
Guys, don't play me like that, please. So everybody's gonna get a number.
Mo endabeni eyamiyokana ngohlabeli inkomo
Ngangikephi ngonyuye uphendulani.
Jasmine, phendula.
Hayi wena. Uphendulani nonke la.
if it's your birthday.
This is my birthday. My buzzer squad, it's my birthday today. Lippy cat. It's my birthday now. Lippy cat. Listen, free cheese. Nizobona ngama-pose.
Guys, I just had to go upstairs and give it with myself because sometimes abantu abaningi bayangixaka. Yabo mase babaningi kakhulu abantu. Some people just left, but they're still downstairs playing games. I'm having so much fun. And also, I'm a very light-headed person. I just finished 2 drinks of 500 mils and I already feel some type of way. So I wanna sober up now. I'll be having water throughout and ice because I cannot. Guys, God bless uNkulunkulu nabazali bami. By the way, ugogo wami India. She's a Gavenda. Oh, Gavenda, and she gave us long lashes because what do you mean? What do you mean? This is just me and mascara. Having fun. Let me put some gloss. Ngiphuza amanzi ngiphindele khona. They are about to go to the pool. Mhlampe we will be allowed, mhlampe we won't. Oh. Vele imali zami manje. Ngifuna ukutshengisa isikhathi. This is the time. Yeah. Sana? Ngisafuna ukubala. Ngifuna ekhaya lami. Ngiyahamba mngani.
Manje.
Ngiyazala.
Hayi kazwa ngcobo.
Ala. Mabhoza sengicabangile uthi nami nohlala ezinye ingane sidlala ama game and then mina ngizobona kusasa, but if we are going to the pool today, I'm gonna bring you guys along. But ngiyabonga mfethu ngokubuka until this part. Like awulike asifanelisi. Sisa. Yeah, to be continued tomorrow. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Phoza yami for staying tuned. I enjoyed doing this because uhlezi usemcabangeni wami. Wakwazi ukuthi uzomenywa kuyibhede kaThuli Madlamuka. Buka manje. Thathile ngakubeka khona. Qathatha wafika. Morning. It's day 2. Amagalela ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi nge-MacBook.
Bengithunayo. Ngabona uphathe that
Oh, leya.
iPad ngasesikhathi.
Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
As the weather, it is so bad. I don't know what are we going to do about the swimming part. My bikini are ready. It's just a matter of also, I have an issue with this eye. I forgot to bring my eye drops. Angiboni guys, mahlo ubala lamehlo awasebenzi. But I'm grateful ukuthi khona ngikwazi ukubona uNkulunkulu ungakuthathi lokho. I'm super excited for today. We might have a very short day. So guys, I'm gonna freshen up, change. Might go to the beach, might not. Like the pool I just showed you guys. And then after that, sizodla, and then umandisa keswa. Kumele ayofunda because I have an exam go Monday. Umoya wami sesikoleni manje, sesikoleni ngiyaconnect.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what you want. Hope you doing what you want.
Guys, kuhle lana uyabona nje ukuthi if the weather ibivuma into ebesoyenza la ngiyasaba mina uthi ngenze ivideo kube ngazi uthi ngiyawa vele ngiwe ngempela kazi ngamuhle ne picture malikasine ekhanda lami lihlelisi noma kanjani, but ngifuna ukunitshela something. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyaphapha, angimele ngabe ngiyanitshela lento le. but le trip le kaThuli iyangitraina ukuthi ngizobe nginivlogela kanjani. Guys, I'm going on an international trip, my first international trip. Papa, I shouldn't be telling you this because I wanted it to be a surprise. So for that, I'm not gonna tell you ukuthi kephi, but when ayazi ukuthi nje clearisha leyo shin cards ngoba wena uhamba nami to this international trip. And ngiyafractiza ngale vlog. I can't wait to edit this. Nginpostele. Ngiyamthanda bafethu. And understand. Kabanga I'm gonna call this a vacation or staycation or whatever. And ulobucabanga abantu abangekho la but ubakhona kuwena, like they are behind this gadgets. Ngiyamthanda mina uthi ngiyogeza kade ngilo ngicula angihambi ngiyogeza. Guys, Uthuli is doing like a video. Eseveza ama gift akhe.
Nginjalo. Mangifake lona still mangisi. Angena umuntu okhomayo khaya. Angikhomi.
Mandisa. Nizule right? Nizoyibona ku Facebook. Yeah, chef Zulu. What's in lab? Yes. Okay. Cherish. Morning. I'm wearing this dress. Finally.
I know.
What's it? What? I have to check. Vest
from the figs.
Yes.
Skirt from the figs.
Yes.
Shoes from Mo.
Kanda.
Kanda from Shein. Earrings from Mandisa.
Okay,
from Mandisa, I nailed it.
Washa. The dress is from the fix. The fix, please sponsor us.
Exactly. That's it.
The shoes are also from the fix.
I saw them.
And
I almost bought them.
yeah, some good deal. Yeah. Oh, jackets red beds. How What's his name? Yeah. Nyangasi. Minister of Shame.
Take pictures now. Make sure you tap in now.
Tap in.
Step in.
Do one. How we walk the bullet? Oh my God.
Must have celebrated.
Ice cream.
Flowers.
Oqonqa bakhokine nabo bathi nje kuyabanda kuyanetha sizolona. Le izithombe lezi uzoyibona ku Instagram. Guys, shout out to Husni, Lange, and TB for making the breakfast. Siyabonga. Oh my God.
Ama wife
Shatha.
phakathi wayo. Lobola nini? Oyibona
Lawa awalange.
Days. Alazi what I feel like. Nalo. Ulange nje phela sekufika ekhaya.
Ubona musana ukula.
Asile
Kanza ndawon. Ladies. Look cute. So now I was able to gather up everyone for the pool. So we're gonna go outside to take pictures. I'm seeing some lights. Sonke sigqame bikini manje, we are ready. We're waiting for Uthuli to finish up eating and then yeah. One is in a bikini and I just want to Uli, we wanna party. Iphoji njani ngo?
Coffee, daily week. It's daily week, body coffee.
Azwamuhle.
Azimangafanele TikTok uthweka ungaba lo
Weslima ke wena, weslima. So hard to make. Ngithola abantu ukuthi bebela ngesikhathi esifanayo. We are happy. Siyabonga, siyabonga. Sekunjalo. Sekunjalo bafazi. Ngenhlanzi bafazi. Inhlanzi kunjalo bafazi. Sekunjalo. Sekunjalo. Imemedi ke le awuvezela impahla yakho. Sekunjalo bafazi. Thuli, we wanna party. Nazoge, 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 Nazoge. Salam Zali. Awuthuli Nazoge. Awuthuli Nazoge. Awuthuli Nazoge. Awuthuli Nazoge. Awuthuli Nazoge. How do you feel? Everything. Your party. Kumnandi ne?
Oh, you filming? Yes. Very nice. How do you feel?
It's Kumnandi. Great host. The only hassle I had was getting you guys all coming here to the pool.
But I'm still eating.
Yeah.
How?
We did it. We made it. Waziwamuhle.
Thank you so much.
Let's pop that champagne now. Oh shit. Sheriomlu.
Umuntu ka-Jackie.
Umuntu ka-Jackie. It's your birthday, Sharia. Asamba. Uyibambisise kahle lapho sithando sami ingashayi thina nama-boss. Ibambe sithando sami like the cork ibambe ngesandla. Oh. Ingangilimazi. Aqhumele emlomeni wemanje shampopo. Yeah! Yini. Happy fucking birthday to a jump. Vele lapho it's a shallow. 1, 2, 3. Lapho. Oh, you can't. Siyabonga.
Ngikekela virgin.
Washa.
Umandisi. Angazi ngisela ngakanani Mendi.
Yeah, right. Ngeke. I-right le. Sojikhekela Thuli sinokay.
Zakushaya when that song wrong.
It's red velvet. Aqwele. Guys. Singilitholile ikhekhe laThuli ngizoliza nomfana isijumbana. Lithi iqwele namhlanje lihaleli nje kube iqwele. And Pozayami, that was the perfect birthday celebration, guys.
Guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog as much as the people that were here. They enjoyed themselves. Am I lying?
Ningakhohlwa ukulike lapha.
Please subscribe and comment. Ningasishweli nina lapho.
Okay, bye. See you on the next vlog.
Lalela, ngakhohlwa ukulike lapho. Thumbs up. The quality is so good.